Alright. Look at the difference in length between these two forks. That's a big difference. Hopefully the bike doesn't sit too low. Okay, that was the washer that goes with that. Okay, I want to see if I can get this thing unscrewed. Oh, this has a hex on it. Oh, that makes it easy. Zip gun. 10-to-1 it's metric. Where's my 5/8 at? Oh, there's my 5/8 right in front of me. Not 5/8. Yep, that doesn't work either. I'm shocked. It's metric. Jeez, I would have never known that. Let's see, metric tools I never use. I beat with big hammers all the time. Yeah. Hate these metric tools. Okay. I got two of the same. Too big though. Oh yeah. Okay, this one here I use with a big hammer all the time on this one I need to use here. I don't think it's going to fit. This is a cam bearing removing tool, among other things. Alright, that one's been destroyed. We're not using that one. What do we got over here in metric shit? Me don't like metric too much. Let's see, that looks like metric. That's not it though. What else do we got in metric? That's about all we got for metric. Yeah, not a big fan of metric around here. Yeah, there's my metric. Yeah, limited. Alright. Metric stubby. Probably too short. Metric crap. Hate metric. Work on jet bikes, work on Harleys. These are 3 deep well sockets. I'm thinking this one right here is the one. That would be wrong. Too small. That's why I don't work on metric. It looks like American, but it's different. Too short. Can't get in there. Oop, that's the size. Damn, that is loose. 17. Very loose. 16 doesn't fit. It's not even metric. Some other size. What do we got besides metric and junk? Yeah, people. They got their own sizes. Yeah, that's 11. That's definitely loose. That's going to spin if I hit that with a zip gun. It's a very loose metric. Oh, this is American 5/8. I thought that was metric. No wonder it didn't fit. There's metric 17. 17 goes right on there, so it's not that. It's got to be 16. Five eighths. 9/16. Don't even have a metric size I need. No wonder it didn't work. It's not metric. My sockets aren't metric. Oh, you got half drive, don't we? Yeah, what do we got in half drive? 16? No, that's too small. I forgot about these. I never use them. And it's about that size there. Nope, doesn't fit. Yeah, it's that size. See, back in the day, they don't put anything you can read. It says 15 though, I think. So that should be 16. Ooh, that's a big one. That is way bigger than 16. See, we go from 15 to huge. That's bigger. Yeah, must be an odd size. All right. Well, you know what? I didn't really like them. I was only thinking I could use a zip gun on there. We'll just have to work around that problem. Let's see if we can screw up something. Okay. Oh, it's tight. Now we got this little flat to work with now. Little flat, little crescent wrench. Oh shit, it's tightened up like a Jap bike. Untorque. It's got a bunch of red Loctite on it though. Not that it really mattered any. Looks like Loctite. Yeah, doesn't quite smell like Loctite, but it's close. Alright, that came right off. That wasn't on there very good. Okay, we need to lengthen this somehow. Okay, well if we screw it up, we got another one. Yep. What a shocker, there was two of them. Alright, I guess we'll go ahead and get the bike apart now. We got the fork apart, or the suspension piece apart. Okay. Where's my Allen at? One Allen. Okay, we're over here. Damn, I didn't tighten that thing up, did I? I think I did. Guess I did. See how much oil we get now. Oh, we gotta pull this out. Okay, gotta take the clip off. You don't take the clip on, you beat on this really hard before it comes out. I've seen it done though. It is possible. But they worked hard, they said. There you go. Little foot pieces in there. Ooh, nasty oil. Foot piece did not come out. But oil did. Some oil. Oh, we didn't screw up the bushing that time. Good. Seals like new. Doesn't leak a drop. I'm going to reuse it. Okay, I'm going to undo the top nut again. One advantage of the dampener, the fork stays put now wherever you put it. That's nice. You don't have to fight it now. Ugh. What are you looking at over there? Now we got a new problem. Spinning in the chuck. Alright, so we have to tighten up the tube because it's spinning the tree. Alright, tighten it up a little bit. We can loosen the top nut again. It popped off that time. Try not to take out the gas tank. There it goes. Okay. Loosen up the little tree now. Oh, she's falling out already. Okay. Give me a dirty rag. Okay, now we gotta try to get this off of here now. If it'll come. Now the other one's loose because they didn't tighten it. So maybe we'll look at it on this one. Yeah, they didn't tighten it. See, they didn't know about the crescent wrench and steel hammer. Racing trick. So if you push forward slightly as you spin it, it's easier to unscrew. Oh, appears to be tension. About an inch. Oh yeah, I had a lot of tension on that. That wasn't how the other one was. See how much tension we have now? See how that tube sticks out? About 5/8 of an inch there. So you got to compress it a long ways to get that in there. That's a lot of tension. So you got a lot of tension on it. Okay. Right, I'm going to clean all this up. We'll be back.